Oh, hello, Bob and Phil here from Revotek. Some of you have asked about our window kits and how to measure them. So the way we measure these window kits, regardless of what van they're off, this one's a Viscount, but you might have a Franklin or a Millard or something else. In all cases, we simply need you to measure from the inside of the frame to the inside of the frame. In this case, 410 mil in each direction, 204 mil.
As you can see in the video, it's important to measure from the inside edge of the frame, left to right and top to bottom. The seal itself is not a good place to measure from, as you can see, this one's already pulled out in the corners. As the seals age, they shrink and they pull out, which is why with all our DIY replacement window kits, we actually send brand new wedge seal to suit the window as well for the acrylic that we send out. The other thing to note, when you are looking to place an order, we do ideally need to know what year, make and model your van is, and preferably if you could send us some photographs of the van as well as the windows you're looking to replace, that'd be great. The only other thing you need to decide is what colour acrylic you would like.